tree they cut down. Whitney's guys just left it there. They're supposed to take it, but they didn't. But we got it now.
Well, welcome back to Shane and Jamie's little homestead. I finally borrowed my neighbor's tractor and got the trees in my yard all picked up. I'll show you guys around, show you what I did yesterday. And by the way, happy Mother's Day to all the moms out there. But yeah, got all that wood moved and cleaned up. Poured my yard up a little bit, but it was worth it. I put all the old wood and stuff over there in my holler. I'm gonna burn that this winter. So, got my old wood pile cleaned up. Turn you guys around here, maybe you guys can see it. But yeah, used to be a bunch of old wood right there. I got it all moved with the tractor. It was a busy day yesterday. Yeah, that old tractor about beat me up. I woke up this morning, feel like I've been in a fight or something, sore. But got her done though. I'm gonna go ahead and check the eggs. My wife, she just got home from cleaning. She cleans banks for a living. She has her own little business, so she had to go in and get the bank done. What do you think, ladies? Didn't see no eggs. But I guarantee when they get done, we'll have at least 2. Show you guys little baby ducks. We moved them out in the hog pen. Well, I really like them Wyandotte laces. There's one. There's a couple more moving out there. They probably want me to turn them loose. I'll do that in a little bit. We have a problem with chicken hawks, so we have to be out here and watch them while they're running loose. Here's the old crazy ducks. And we had a hen out here in the barrel sitting on eggs with the little baby ducks. It's funny. But yeah, it sure does look a lot better, don't it? Well, that's going to be a big old bonfire. That's a lot of work. Show you guys the duck, the baby ducks. See, there's that hen trying to set on eggs. Oh, I found the baby ducks. Well, they're messy. My wife just cleaned that water out last night. Here's the baby ducks. They're doing good. We had to get them out of that box. They're starting to stink. I got them a heat lamp. The hens are still coming in and laying eggs. It's funny. But yeah, I did a lot of work yesterday. Yeah, I mowed some trails at my pasture for the wife, and we can walk in the evenings. So I made it around our property, around the field. Mowed around the pond. But yeah, I figure I'd bring you guys out here and show you what I did yesterday. I got some video of me on the tractor cleaning and stuff. But anyways, yeah, I want to get on here and tell everybody happy Mother's Day to all the moms. So you dads need to take your wives out and buy them a dinner or something. So, alright, well, I'm going to get off here. It wasn't much of a video today. It's Mother's Day. I'm going to get off here and make my wife dinner. So, we'll catch you guys on the next one. Please like and subscribe.